inventor of the Rainforest Project, and what I'd like to show you today is how we made this thing, what this thing can do, and maybe your opinion with a replied letter, because I'm spending a lot of time shooting this video and making a bunch of videos to send out a bunch of these people. What we want to do is, we wouldn't mind sending this to maybe a museum might want to maybe purchase this to keep up with our next project, or just for your enjoyment. I hope that you like this video. What we got here is, we got this volcano which I made out of plaster, and then we got the Crocodile waterfall. It's also made out of plaster, and right now we got the fog machine on up here. Come around the corner. We got the fog machine going down in the lagoon supposedly, and here's our door that the water goes into, and we're going to turn this thing on. We're going to come back here in a couple minutes, and we'll
Hi, my name is Nick Remmer, and we're going to show you the Rainforest Project. Kids around the neighborhood call it Monster Island. What we're going to do now, we're going to show you the volcano.
a little smoky in there for this, Nick. What you got over here, buddy? Nope.
We got the Crocodile waterfall here.
Still too smoky. We're going to take a 2-second break.